Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make Anzac Biscuit Bliss bowl things. It's a great thing to do after Australia Day when you've got a surplus of Anzac biscuits at your disposal. And also good if they're going slightly stale, then you can make something new and incredible out of it and people are like, what? This tastes like an Anzac biscuit but a bowl. And I'm like, aha. So that's what we're making today, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of shredded coconut, optional 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water, 210 grams of Anzac biscuit, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 125 grams of soft cream cheese, and about half a teaspoon of salt. That's it. So easy. You can do it while you're hungover. Now, the thing I like about this recipe, it's so simple. All you have to do is chuck everything into a food processor, then roll it into bowls and you're done. It's so great. So first we're going to put all of our dry ingredients together, zhuzh it around until it becomes nice and crumbly. Then we're going to add our cheese and wet ingredients. I'm starting off with only about half a tablespoon of water to start. If your mixture is too wet, you can add a few more oats to it and just continue to process until it's fine. When your mixture is done, take 1 tablespoon measurement or just eyeball it and roll out your bowls and put them on a plate lined with baking paper, and then when they're all done, we're going to put them in the fridge. We're going to put these in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour, or you can also keep them overnight, just enough so that they're set when you touch them. Bye. Okay guys, so that's how you make my Anzac Biscuit Bliss bowl things. I'm so excited to eat them just because I love Anzac biscuits, and anything with cream cheese is an improvement. So I'm really excited because I don't think Flavia's ever had these either. So I say, let's eat.
These look so cute.
I know.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
They look like little adorable drops of heaven.
They do.
And it's great because you can get like a good 24 pack of Anzac biscuits from Woolies. Yeah. Sometimes you can't eat them all, even if you try. This is a really good way to get rid of them.
They smell really good too.
I know.
Oh dude.
It's good.
Oh my.
It's good.
As an avid lover of cream cheese, this is beautiful.
It's just like everything I want from Australia Day. And then cream cheese. Oh, my life. I love these so much.
It's so good.
You can see why I make them every year. Oh, by the way, you can get Anzac biscuits in Australia all year round, not just on Australia Day. So, don't know if you're in America or anywhere else, but you can make them with our recipe. But yeah, I love these. So good.
They're so good. I could eat so many of these.
Honey. My life.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.